You've seen pre-sales that reward insiders. This one makes whales irrelevant. Zero knowledge proof. Just opened a whitelist for the only pre-sale in crypto where math controls fairness, not money. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing zero knowledge proof. Joining the whitelist gives you early access to the initial coin auction. Now, this auction is the backbone of zero knowledge proof fair launch. The way their launch will work is that you will have daily rounds, transparent rules, and everyone enters through the same door. The minimum investment is $50, maximum is 50,000 US dollars per day, no private rounds, no early investors, no hidden allocation. You know exactly how much zero knowledge proof is distributed every single day. Now, what makes zero knowledge proof different? It's built as a privacy-first blockchain using advanced cryptography. It verifies everything without exposing sensitive data. It reveals nothing, yet it proves everything on the network. Zero knowledge proof is designed for global institutions, AI compute, and everyday users who want fairness. Each day, the auction sets the reference price for the entire ecosystem. Proof pod rewards are tied to this math-driven outcome. No team can manipulate the supply, demand, or the distribution of the project. And distribution is uncheatable by design. This is the first time blockchain launched a public presale after building infrastructure upfront, and they have over 100 million US dollars already deployed into hardware and compute. Once the presale begins, proof pods ship within days, and whitelist members get first access to everything. And the way that it works is that it lets businesses keep strategic data private while proving accuracy publicly. And football club Barcelona validate the infrastructure through their official partnerships. And not only that, the Dolphins have collaborated with zero knowledge proof. This isn't a hype cycle, it's operational from day one. The whitelist is open now. If you want a presale where fairness isn't a slogan but enforced by code, join today. Secure your access before the auction begins. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.